Does your fingerprint unlock sometimes fail or require multiple attempts? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a feature that can improve fingerprint recognition without requiring you to register the fingerprint again. Let me show you how. First, open Setting. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD. Tap Screen Lock and Biometric. Enter your current screen lock. Under Biometric section, tap Fingerprint. Now tap the fingerprint you want to improve. Then tap Improve Accuracy. Place the same finger you originally registered for the selected fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor. Continue scanning the finger until you have completed all 10 scans. Try to place your finger naturally just as you would when unlocking your phone. This helps your phone learn additional fingerprint data and improve recognition. When you have completed all 10 scans, tap Done. After improving the fingerprint data, lock your phone and try unlocking it again to see the difference. You may notice faster and more reliable fingerprint recognition. And that's how you make fingerprint unlock more accurate on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.